All right, so what are we doing here today?
Jumping out of a plane.
For the 6th time.
6th time.
Okay, cool. You still excited?
I'm excited.
Just like the first time?
I'm still nervous though. It feels like the first time since it's been since 09 was the last jump.
Okay. Well, cool. We'll get you back in the air, having some fun.
Yeah.
Anything to say to the people watching this video?
Love you all. Hope I make it back. If not, someone take care of the dogs and the kids, I guess.
All right. Well, we'll go have fun. Okay. I'll see you at the plane.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's going to be right in front of us. We're going to go ready, set, and step off. Gotta get down track as much as you can. Head back. Make sure you keep your hands on your harness.
Am I doing this?
Yeah. Head back. You're nurtured. We're going to look at the look at them and grab them.
Jose, how you doing? Still ready to do this, right?
You may want to film that.
You know, he's not that interesting. All right, so you ready? Okay, little. Number 6. All right, well, I'll see you outside, okay? Make sure you're smiling, have fun. Alright, how was it? Here, let me help you up here. Well, good job.